Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crochet cap designs. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. Beautiful designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you are enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet cap designs, flower cap designs, decorated with flowers, beaded stones, boutai. Beautiful designing ideas you can see also. Highly running ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet cap designs, you can wear these very beautiful cap designs in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. If you want to buy this very beautiful crochet cap design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. New designing ideas for you. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet cap design. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.